my fondest memories of when I was a child was going to the museums with my family. Museums were a place where you could learn and share stories with one another. Yet, the number of visitors going to UK has dropped in the last couple of years. And we think at Skybox that this is a problem because stories have amazing short stories to share. So we offer a solution for these museums. Skybox is a service that implements augmented and virtual reality in an immersive context to make visitors enjoy museums more. So for example, by scanning a certain marker in front of an exhibition, you could open a dinosaur that's walking next to you or swimming with whales. And we want to offer this to museums. Right now we're partnering with the Manchester Museum, but we want to expand in the future. So this year our goal is to go to 5 museums.
Our design process consisted of 3 main stages. The first one was learning from museums, the second one was prototyping, and the third one was testing. We iterate this process about 3 times to learn as much as possible from the user and from the experience.
We started by testing the capabilities of both Google AR Core and Apple's AR Kit. However, we stick with the Google AR Core because it was the most convenient for the team and both developers have had experience programming and creating Android applications.
After we met with museums, we started by brainstorming which features that Unity offer will help us build this product and solve this problem for museums.
The flexibility of Unity allowed us to work and collaborate as a team by using, for example, cloud builds or Unity teams. This also enhanced the workflow and the build test cycle.
Having just an AR experience wasn't enough for the final user. They needed something that connects them with the exhibit. This is why we decided to add the storytelling experience. This will narrate the story and tell them why the exhibit was so important. Secondly, we integrated the interactivity. In here, we added different game objects that will allow the museum visitor to interact and stay engaged with the exhibit. Therefore, this will increase the learning experience. For example, one of them is the glowing skybox that, by pressing it, you will be able to change the size of the exhibit and see how it looked in real size.
Next, we collected all the feedback from the demo users. We found that the user interface was too complex and the user could not fully benefit of the learning opportunity. We wanted to see how effective augmented reality can be to help us teach something in the museum. That's why we built a very basic demo version that allows the user to see an exhibition in augmented reality. To simplify the user experience, we used image recognition capabilities of AR Core that allows the user to simply scan the exhibit and dive right into the learning experience.